This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account parity and grabbing identifiers. This avoids mismatched profiles later. Sign into your Google Play console and Apple developer account, then copy the app bundle ID and package name. Once done, enable the relevant sign-in APIs and create an OAuth client ID in Google Cloud. Make sure Game Center is enabled for your app in App Store Connect so the backend can accept a cross-platform identity mapping. This prevents token rejection when you link services. Next, you set up the server-side token exchange and mapping. Create secure server credentials and a route that accepts Google ID token from the client, then validate it with Google's TokenInfo endpoint. Once validated, request or generate a Game Center authentication ticket for that user on your server, so accounts link without exposing secrets. Make sure to persist a mapping between Google Player ID and Game Center ID in your database. This state lets you reconcile achievements and saves across platforms efficiently. Finally, integrate the client flows and complete testing. Implement Google Play Games sign-in to obtain ID token on the device, then call your server to exchange and link to Game Center credentials. Test the full path: sign-in, achievement sync, and cloud save retrieval on both platforms. If something fails, inspect token validity, clock skew, OAuth scopes, and server-side ID mappings. Often a timestamp or missing scope breaks the exchange. Retest after fixes to confirm cross-platform continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.